Hey, what up guys? In this video, as you can see, I'm doing a mid fade. I have the number 4 guard going in, flicking out. As long as you follow these steps, you'll have a clean fade. So from the 4, I went to a 3, and then a 3 close, then a 2 open, then a 2 close, then a 1.5 all the way open, flicking out, and then all the way close, and then a 1 guard, 1 open, then 1 close, and then got the half guard, open, closed, and then no guard, open, and then close, and then hit it with a trimmer. That's a secret. Follow those steps, you have a clean fade.